So we ended up spending $4.40 for 96 items. I was talking about this the other day. Walmart doesn't have the vending machines anymore, but they have them here. 50-cent Shasta. That's crazy. All these vending machines. Guaranteed winner. See you looking what you're looking so. Yeah, let's go ahead and get some of these Calypsos. They got the Calypsos right here when you first walk into the door for 98 cents each. Let's go ahead and just run that. Get that blue ocean. And the blue ocean. We can take a sorry. A couple of those. One. If you remember this bread wall. But we're over here because we're looking for some good breads this month. This one, I'm gonna get the ranch white potato bread as well as buttermilk. And these are $2.55. Right there. I see this Great Grain Sweet Hawaiian is $1.98. These are $1.98 too, sourdough. And sourdough. Yep, all of these breads, yep. They have assorted DVDs. It's been a minute, that's for sure. $4.99, $5. Madagascar, all types of stuff. Supergirl, the complete second season. That's funny. Here at Winco. Also, make sure you guys go check out my husband's channel. I'll make sure I link it so that you can see his 30-day workout challenge, okay? He's doing his thing over there, okay? And tell him I sent you. Look at these little cakes. Here's some brown New York cheesecake, white chocolate truffle, key lime. Would you like one? Strawberry brownie cheesecake. I want to try the brownie cheesecake and the key lime for sure. Edible cookie dough. That's cool. Did you have a preference? I want tiki punch. I just want it like just once in a while, you know. For $1.34, why not? So we're gonna go ahead and get that. Hi, baby. What you doing? Who am I talking to? I'm making a video. Did you want to get cream soda? You know what? If you want cream soda, we can actually just get a pack like that.
They don't have cream soda big.
Right there.
No, big. I don't care.
I'm gonna get. Daddy said I can keep one. Yay. Okay, we gotta make sure we don't smash the bread. Yes, we have 6 loaves of bread because we really need it. Trust me. I've been needing some hot sauce. Something so crazy. Do I want a small one? What is this? What's the color difference? This Crystal Extra Hot. No thanks. We'll get this one though. Get this. I need cream of mushroom. Yeah, cream of mushroom and cream of chicken, one of each. And those are $1.72. Oh, nice. So Winco has the noodles. I usually get them on Amazon. I canceled my Amazon membership. I'm not even gonna front. I really did because I'm not fooling with Amazon anymore, especially since they let their sellers basically say no, they didn't get the package and stuff. I'm $200 out on some wigs that I don't have. I should have kept. So I'm upset. But yeah. Usually they're like between $6 to $8 and the prices have gone up something so crazy. So I'm glad that they have these here. These are $7.88 for the 24 pack of the Michelin. I'm gonna go ahead and stock up on that because the kids love noodles. And be mindful when using the noodles. Use like half of the pack of the seasoning. It just helps. And even if you don't want to get noodles, an alternative is to get bouillon cubes and just regular pasta, and you can make that too. The kids kind of like these. I got a 4-pack from Amazon one time, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this. $2.86. It's a horchata strawberry and maybe mango. There's a couple of these ones here. I'm looking for an empty box. The Ichiban for 88 cents. I have not seen this for 88 cents, so I'm gonna get a couple for my husband. Yeah, that's the one I like. And that's how much? $4.25. We had just got this one. Was this $9 when you got it? This one? No, was this one $9 when you got it? That's the one we just got. Snap. Coconut milk. It's light. This is regular. This one's $1.88. $1.88, maybe like 4. Maybe sleepy. Seasonings like Mongolian beef. That sounds kind of good. Fried rice. I'm also gonna pick up one of these chili garlic sauces. Sorry, and I want one of these soy sauces. I'm gonna go ahead and get that. And what else do they have over here? Spicy chili crisps. You know, because I'm here, I'm just gonna pick up some of these things. We already need it. Picking up a cooking spray. It's $1.98. We ended up having to get a second cart just to make sure that everything doesn't, you know, hurt each other. If that makes sense. You didn't put the slap your mama in here. We haven't had this. Hold up, wait a minute. This section is huge though. There's so much stuff over here. A little to-go stuff. These salads are $3. Ooh, that looks kind of good. I know I'm saying ooh a lot, but I don't even like blue cheese, but that looks pretty fire. I'm not gonna front. That looks good. Hold on. What? Oh no. A crispy chicken salad. Yeah. Crispy chicken salad. I'm gonna get one of these. What else? They have some more down here. They have a seafood salad. Okay. Go ahead and put that in there. Yeah.
Well, I can't eat that.
I need to cook that. No, that's right. A BLT sandwich loaded. This looks really good. I want a Caesar, but does it have chicken? I want chicken and bacon on the Caesar. I'm not going for that. But okay, I'm gonna get this. That looks very good for $4. That's not bad. They have some prepackaged feta cheese over here. $3.35. I think I might mess with this. That one's 2. This one is half a pound. See, half a pound for 4 ounces. You decide. Half a pound or 4 ounces. Let's see, $3.35. Yeah. Daddy is over there with the jackpot stuff. Let's go ahead and get this feta. Got that feta. They have sweet chili, orange chicken for $6. Ooh, actual fried chicken. Let's try one of these orange chickens.
7. Yeah, I want orange chicken because the kids can eat it too.
I'm gonna do this one for the 12. Oh, it's like based off of the pound. There's different amounts in each one. Oh, okay. I like this. I'm gonna get that. Get a regular chicken. So do you want to get 2 of those chickens? Do you want to get two chickens? Chicken tenders? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, chicken tenders for $13.20. Definitely getting that. Yeah, this is fire. $11.40. Well, you already know if the pennies is less, you ain't got to say too much now. Here you go. Is that a cheaper one? Yeah, because we need to. Just for a couple of days so nobody has to worry about nothing. Everybody can just eat. That's what we really need. Orange chickens, sweet chili chicken. Ooh, General chicken. I like this one. I want to try this one out. This is $10. Yeah, rice for sure. That one's so good. Ricky ribs.
Can you give me that one?
Which one?
Spicy Italian sauce.
This one? Ooh, that's huge. It's 13. That's pretty big. 8 minutes in the microwave. Snap. Okay. You know you picked this up?
Yeah, I want that. Okay. No, put that one.
It's just so small. They don't have a bigger one? For $5. Baby's out here making noise. What is this? They have tamales for 98 cents? Okay, you already know. We're not about to play these games. We're gonna get a couple of these tamales for 98 cents. They have beef and green chili chicken. Yeah, let's go ahead and just get a couple of those. Is that worth it? $1 for one of these? No, why do I feel like I can eat that in like 3 bites though? Okay, let me try it. Where'd you go? Well, now we need some condiments. Let's go ahead and get some cheese. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and get the big one. Cheddar jack cheese sounds fire right now. Let's go ahead and get this. And this is $5.98. $7.45 for a beef top round pre-slice. What you thinking? Walmart could never. Oh, Dad, sushi. Let me know if you want to see some cooking videos as well. Sushi.
Jeez, solid, bro. Everybody get down on the floor.
Hey. Go.
Everybody get down on the floor.
And a slide. Okay. This is see what other kind of fish they have over here. Some whole dove. You want to try it?
That's a bird.
No, a dover. My bad. That was me. Let's try it. Let's see what this is. That looks good. Would you like frog legs? Skyline combo. This sushi's $11.99. It doesn't say. What the other one? Shrimp tempura roll. Spicy mini California roll. That looks good.
I want to try that for myself.
Yeah, thank you. California roll. Let me see. What's this back here? Mini California roll. I'm gonna get this one, and the shrimp tempura looks pretty good for $8.99. Yeah. Ooh, but it's not. That's what you mean. This has a crispy crunch on it. This is just a shrimp tempura. Ooh, we have to go. Like, we were just talking off camera about like this stuff that we have here. I know it kind of looks like some stuff, but we'll get stuff to go with it, of course. When we go home and put everything up, we'll start thinking about what to put with it. But I told him anything that we see here, just make sure you get it because this stuff is like really great prices. It's a whole rainbow trout. You want to try that? Okay. I'm going to try this trout for $7.18. It's 2 pounds.
It ain't that expensive out of nowhere.
Yeah, the shrimp mix. That's $5. That's the cheapest that we've seen. $27. How many pounds? Are those too small? Or is that just right?
Are they killed?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is right.
Okay. $27.40. This is 5 pounds of shrimp. 5 pounds. Yeah.
Yeah, we put.
If I get beef hot links, would you eat them with me or no? Yeah. They're mild. Got some Lawry's garlic salt. You saw this? Garlic salt. Garlic salt and seasoning salt. We have not had seasoning salt in a minute. I want some eggs with feta cheese in it. That sounds so good.
Thank you. Check next to
Oh, do you see these grill mates up there? We love grill mates. We usually get the packets, but I see the actual big ones. They got some big Montreal right there. Montreal chicken, steak, Maplewood. I've always no good.
We got a lot of chicken, but we don't have chicken that we're making.
Garlic butter.
Yes.
Smokehouse maple. Do you want Montreal?
Yes. Montreal steak. Add that to it.
Yeah, chicken.
I'm trying to see, should I get this big old thing of garlic minced or the water garlic? I get that.
I like the water garlic. On our way out, we got stopped by this beautiful wall of condiments, so we picked up this honey hot sauce. This is $2.48, and this big old Hidden Valley Ranch. This is $4.48. So let's go ahead and check out now. So we ended up spending $4.40 for 96 items.